For entrepreneurs, small businesses, and freelancers, managing finances is a huge part of the day-to-day. And in our increasingly connected world, those businesses are often global, or at least thinking about it. That's where a modern financial solution like Qonto comes in. But a question a lot of people have is, exactly where can you use it? Qonto operates in several key markets across Europe. The company's home base is France, where it first launched and built its reputation. Since then, it's expanded its footprint to serve other major European economies. Currently, Qonto is available for businesses and freelancers in 8 different European countries. Besides France, you can open a Qonto account in Germany, Italy, and Spain. They also recently expanded into Austria, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Portugal. It's important to remember that while Qonto itself operates in these 8 countries, its services can reach much further. Thanks to partnerships, like the one with Wise, Qonto users can send and receive international transfers in over 30 currencies to more than 130 countries. So even if your business is based in one of Qonto's core countries, you can still seamlessly do business with clients and suppliers all over the world. So, to quickly recap, Qonto's primary markets are a total of 8 European countries: France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Austria, Belgium, the Netherlands, and Portugal. This strategic focus allows them to tailor their services to the specific needs of businesses in these regions, all while providing the global payment capabilities needed to succeed in today's economy.